Hola, soy María and this is an embodied Spanish class. Today you're going to learn how to talk about your mood and your emotions in Spanish. So the question that you're going to answer today is ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? And notice that the verb we are using here is estar. Estar is the verb we use to talk about mood. We do not use ser, we use estar. And then estar is followed by an adjective, and an adjective is the word that describes your emotion, your feeling. So for example, estoy contenta, I am happy, or Juan está contento, Juan is happy. Note here that I am changing the ending of the word contento or contenta, and this is because the adjectives or the words in Spanish are gendered. We have masculine and feminine for many of the adjectives that talk about mood. So contento is for masculine, contenta is for feminine, and you need to pay attention to this in your sentence. So, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien. I'm okay. Or, ¿cómo estás? Estoy triste. I am sad. Note here that both bien and triste do not change the ending for masculine or feminine. Okay, so you need to pay attention to these kinds of words by reading or just listening. Just see how the spelling is, and you will start noticing that some words, the majority, will have masculine and feminine, but other words like triste that ends in an e, it doesn't change for both, for masculine or feminine. So I would say estoy triste, but Juan está triste, so that doesn't change. Now, let's go into a little bit more depth. Let's bring more nuance, more information. So here you can add the degree of the mood, of the emotion, for example. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy un poco triste. I am a little bit sad. Or estoy muy feliz. I am very happy. Feliz is happy, and it doesn't change, masculine, feminine. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bastante tranquila. I'm quite calm. I'm quite relaxed. ¿Cómo está Juan? Juan está bastante tranquilo. Juan is quite calm. Or the opposite. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy súper nerviosa. I'm super nervous. Or Juan está súper nervioso. Here again, we have the ending masculine, feminine for tranquilo, tranquila, and nervioso, nerviosa. So as a recap, so far we've learned that the answer to ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Is estoy, and then the adjective, the word that describes your mood could be bien, estoy triste, I'm sad, estoy nerviosa, I'm nervous. And that you can add more information, you can add the degree of this emotion that you're feeling before the adjective. So, estoy muy tranquila, I'm very calm, or estoy un poco nerviosa, I am a little bit nervous. Also, I want to leave you with another option if you do not want to use estar all the time. You can use me siento. I feel. Me siento cansada. I feel tired. Me siento muy nerviosa. I feel very nervous. So you can see that estar and sentirse, not sentir, that's a different verb. But sentirse are quite synonym, and you can use them interchangeably most of the time. So, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien. ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? Me siento estupenda. I feel great. Me siento genial. I feel great as well. Okay? So, estar and sentirse are both used to talk about your mood and your feelings. Okay? So, this is all for today's embodied Spanish class, and I see you next day. Hasta luego!